Hello, teacher and partner. My name is Mayerli Sequeda, and today speak about the articulation in the sound, and today speak about the sound in the consonant, diphthongs, and vowels. Thank you very much. Z, Z, Z. Sit, sit, sit. Phonetics, phonetics, phonetics. Food, food, food. Met, met, met. Oh wait, oh wait, oh wait. Learned, learned, learned. Block, block, block. Cold, cold, cold. Cut, cut, cut. Car, car, car. Hot, hot, hot. Neared, neared, neared. Say, say, say. Pure, pure, pure. Join, join, join. No, no, no. Er, er, er. I, I. Out, out, out. Pet, pet, pet. Bad, bad, bad. Tea, tea, tea. Deep tones, deep tones, deep tones. Short, short, short. July, July, July. Cat, cat, cat. Garden, garden, garden. Five, five, five. Voice, voice, voice. Three, three, three. Moda, moda, moda. Singular, singular, singular. Lazy, lazy, lazy. She, she, she. Vision, vision, vision. Lemon, lemon, lemon. Tent, tent, tent. Finger, finger, finger. Hello, hello, hello. Little, little, little. Run, run, run. Way, way, way. Yellow, yellow, yellow.